Our staff goes that extra mile to ensure everyone walks away happy and satisfied. It's part of our top-notch 5-star experience, and we're excited to share our latest rave review with you. And as much as we think we're doing a good job, hearing about great experiences like this makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what everyone has to say about us. The most important thing for us is that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. One of the keys to our success is our commitment to satisfaction. It's how we earn our great reviews and how we'll earn yours too. So why wait? Contact us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.